This is our home. We're happy here. 10 gallons in a living room. Both day and night, we swim around, testing, enjoying our environment. We love this place. Plants in plain, clear view of the curious creatures wrestling, eating, and watching us from beyond our glass domain walls. Neons, black skirts, danios, autosynclists, all 21 of us living in harmony together. That man feeds us with his fleshy pincers, and we know he is our caretaker. Sometimes he feeds us green balls, the shells of which, when broken, expel a viscousy, clumpy powder. We love these more than he does, even though they are his food. We don't get rain where we live, but occasionally replenishing dihydrogen monoxide is bestowed upon us by our caretaker from the bucket stored beneath our home. This is it. This is all there is. The black skirts keep us safe from bully fish. Already they've starved a gourami, and they've nipped all the fins off a betta. They are our sentries. So yeah, this is our life, just swimming around, enjoying the view. We love our home. We're happy here. Oh, here comes the caretaker. Get this camera off of us, please.